Hello and welcome back to Totally Relaxed. Right now I'm about to do an unboxing for y'all in regards to the video y'all watched. The last video of me going to the post office picking up those 3 packages. And like I said on the video, 2 of them was from the VA. So this box you're looking at right here is the 3rd one. So without further ado, let's bust this bad boy open and find out what's in there. Looks like they sent me a bunch of paper in here. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Okay, first of all we have a Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. And I bought that for my iPhone. And also we have a 3-port charger, and there should be 2 of them in there. That's for hooking up all my USB connections at my desk. So that's about it, folks. I mean, there's nothing more to really see. I got some more stuff coming in, but I don't know when it's going to be here. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now. Stay safe.